Alright. I got my ghillie suit on. There's showing. Okay, anyway. I'm beauty hunting today. A little squirrel. And I'm hitting a new area today, and this is, I just want to show you what I'm looking at. Okay, let me get my gun. Yeah, I'm looking at stuff like this right here, which was probably about a day old. This is the area that I'm in. You got laurel brush right in front of you. Hardwood, softwood, pines, maple. I'm coming from that area over there. And I'm going that direction right there. So I gotta kind of go around them, looking for structures too. We found a bunch yesterday. And we heard a knock when we was leaving. So, first thing I gotta do is get out of this daggone, it's called wiregrass. Wiregrass is about a pain in the butt to walk through. This is a good hiding place for the squatches, because they can hide and watch at the same time and not be detected. I don't know how long my batteries will last. It's not really cold out here, it's just a good damn thing. I might have to end up getting some more batteries. These things are about wore out and everything. This one here is blinking, so I'm gonna have to, damn, blast it. I think I hate about these ghillie suits. You got the sticks that hang on. Alright, anyway, I'll be right back. Alright. The way it's looking, I'm gonna have to bounce back from one battery to the other because I charged them last night. Or like 4 and 8 used but one yet, and the other one's doing the same thing, so what I'm gonna have to do is bounce from one to the other. Okay, now let me get back to what I was doing here. Okay. I'm looking for structures while I'm in here. I'm gonna stop here in a little bit, do some coyote calls. See what that does. These damn lights keep blinking. Let me show you something that's old, but it's interesting. See this right here? Take 2 pieces of stick, run it through like an X there. That's old, but it's been done. What I'm doing is making a straight line, so that way I won't get lost up in here. Note. Okay, making a straight line. All right, I got something attached to me. One thing I hate about the ghillie suit, got limbs and everything else holding on to you. Okay, I'll be right. Oh hell. I'll just keep on talking till this thing stops. I'm seeing tracks right here. Right there. There's a heel. The heel was right up here. Right there like that. Alright. I'm standing here at a laurel brush tree. I'm going to show you something here. Grab my gun here and get it out of the, get it set up here, situated here. Show what I'm looking at. Okay, we have a dead pine And it's dead. It's dead or doornail that fell. Now here's the fun part. This bush right here, when it fell, it should be under this tree right here. Okay, you see you got this part and that part, this part and that part there. Everything's underneath there. Now, we go straight up. Let me get in a better position. You go straight up. Where's it at? Can't see what, there you got a break right there. But here's the fun part. This tree here, was freshly broke right here. As you notice, it's laying on top of this pine tree. And look at that. That's a definite sign that a squatch has been here. I took Daniel in the area last year. I'm talking about Daniel Benoit, the ECBRO. And we run across. These batteries are going crazy on me. But like I said, it's a fresh break here. That's a definite sign. You got a break right there. As I was saying, this tree fell, and this little brush right here should be, all this little brush right here should be underneath this tree, which it is, but we got this piece right here, freshly broke, on top of the tree. As you can see, I can move it. And that's the infamous sign right there that they've been here. Okay? Alright. So that's all I can do for right now before the battery goes dead. I'll be back.